Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on FastAPI with Streamlit. As we have gone through last few weeks many videos on FastAPI with Streamlit. So a lot of things are going in my mind, but I decided why not to go with again FastAPI with Streamlit. We have gone through few videos on FastAPI with Streamlit, such as latest videos face recognition using FastAPI, then Python FastAPI and Streamlit, then FastAPI integration with Streamlit, then FastAPI and DuckDB Streamlit, and many more. Today's video is really interesting and creative. It is about face recognition using FastAPI with Streamlit. So first of all, we will go through the FastAPI part, that is main.py. This is FastAPI file. Here the name Shah Rukh Khan is there. Name. Now I will execute the program. Now we will go to Streamlit. Here we will uploading the image and recognizing the face recognition, name, location, and this thing. Now I have started backend part. Now I will run front end part, Streamlit. Yes, face recognition app. We are seeing a lot of videos in such style, but using Python with Streamlit, using fear library with Python with Streamlit, using MTCN and Python with Streamlit, using VGG face to Python with Streamlit. So we are using in this manner. But first time we are seeing face recognition using FastAPI with Streamlit. Now I will upload the file. Yes, Shah Rukh Khan. Yes, the name has been recognized, Shah Rukh Khan, location and this thing. So I successfully done with face recognition using Streamlit and FastAPI. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on FastAPI and Streamlit and machine learning. I am very much enthusiastic about machine learning. Little bit of health issues and little bit of technical issues I am facing nowadays, but I will overcome that. And also I will back with Node.js and React.js and MunStack and full stack, and if possible React, and if possible Angular. So keep if latest update about latest technologies, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.